What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Steve Harrington from Stranger Things. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the eye on the left, starting from the very top. Just going to bring this all the way down towards the bottom of that circle and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of the circle. Just going to bring that down towards the same height that we have on the left and then back up. Now I'm going to go up to the top left side of each eye and draw a small circle for a highlight. Bring this in and then out. And we'll line that up on the right side. And then we'll fill the eyes in black going around that highlight. Now I'm going to move up and draw in the eyebrows. Let's start over on the left. I'm just going to curve this in, across the eye, and then down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going up, and then bending that out. Let's go back to the inside of the eyebrows, draw two short lines going up. And then from the outside, we'll angle this up and in with a straight line. And we'll follow that same curve coming in and then down. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now from here we move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left, curve the nose coming down, then bend that up. Now I'm going to move up and draw a short curve going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw a curve coming down and then up for the mouth. Add a small bracket on the ends. Now move back to the center, step down and add a small curve for the lower lip. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start over on the left side. I'm just going to curve this up above the eyes, across, and then down towards the right. Let's add some hair coming down the center, starting from the top left, come around, bend that in, bend that back up towards the right, add a smaller curl coming in, and then tuck that up underneath. Now from the side of the hat, we're going to step in, add a curve. We're going to come down, and then bend that out towards the side. Let's tuck the bottom of the head in behind the hair. Over on the left, come down, round out the chin, and come in towards the middle, go across, and then bend that up on the right. Let's go back up to the top and draw the side of the hat. On the left side, we're just going to angle this up and out toward the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to close out the top with a curve. We're going to go up in the middle, just going up a little bit higher, and bring that back down on the right side. Now let's draw the top of the hat, starting back over on the left, bend this up in the middle, and then bring that back down. Let's move back down and add in the hair. From the bottom corner of the hat, curve this down, bend that out. Let's add a point, pulling this back in. Let's curve this around and then in towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side, bend this out and down. Just going to curve this around that point and pull that in. Let's finish off the bottom of the hair. Starting back over on the left, just going to bend this back out, curve this in and up underneath the head. Let's draw the bottom on the right side. I'm going to add a point by curving this in, bend this down and out, come in and up underneath the head. Now let's move to the center of the body and draw in the collar. We're going to start over on the left, just going to angle this down and in toward the center, and go back up on the right. Let's add 2 lines across the neck. Let's go to that bottom point and draw a circle for the knot. And then from the side of the circle, bend this out and then down. Bend this back out towards the side. Now I want to curve this back in towards the center of the circle along the bottom. Now from the side of that circle, draw a straight angle line going up and out just underneath the hair. And go up and in underneath the head. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Over on the left side, just underneath the collar, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add the name tag on the right side. Start by coming straight in, come down with a short line, and go back out. Let's add that cloth in the center of the body. From the hips, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Now we want to angle this down and in towards the center. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side and curve the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot coming down and then back up. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. From the outside, we're going to curve this up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. From this curve, we're going to step up and just trace that across. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the side of the shorts. From the left side, angle this down and out. And we'll curve the bottom of the shorts, coming down and then up towards the inside. From the bottom corners of the shorts, step in, draw another angled line coming down towards the top of the feet. From the top of the foot, we'll step up, add the sock, curving down and up. And now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right. Let's go back to the left side. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, then this down, and then up around that bracket. Step down, go out, bend that up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm going up and in underneath the collar, leaving a little overlap on the top. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm and add the sleeve, curving this up and then out. Let's add a trim across the uniform. We're going to start with the sleeve, we'll step up, just follow that curve coming in. Add another trim along the bottom of the body. And we'll do the same thing along the bottom edge of the shorts, coming in. And we'll finish off by signing our artwork and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Steve Harrington. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.